Open code for free with the best AI models in the world without paying anything, no credit card, and no trial. And to prove this it really works, I'll teach you how to download and configure open code. We are also going to build the front end of a SaaS from scratch in this video. So to use Node.js open code for that, first of all, we need Node.js to be installed on our machine. So simply search Node and you will see nodejs.org. Open the first website and move to the download and download it. Let's come here to the download. And here just the LTS version like 24, this one, yes, LTS version and your operating system like Windows, and that's it. And down come here and download the installer and install it on your machine. I have already installed it and let's check it. Open the terminal and simply write node dash hyphen v. You can see the version 2022. So this is the Node.js which is installed. After this we need open code. So let's move to the opencode.ai website. This is an open source project. You can see on GitHub it has 150k stars. Down to install this open code, the simple and easiest way for us is to use the npm. Because we have installed Node.js, now we can use the npm to install it. Simply copy this command npm -g, it means global open code AI. Copy this command, again move to the terminal. Right click to paste this command, press enter so it will install open code. I have already installed open code. If you would like to verify it, simply write open code. So it will open the options, the user interface or CLI of open code for you. That's it. So this is the open code that you can see. Now we will configure and use it for free with the best AI models. Yeah, there are free models inside open code that you can use. Simply let's write models. So it provides us free models, but those are limited, okay, per limited time. But we want to use and find the free AI models forever. So for that, simply let's move to the, I will close once this terminal because I would like to set up it from scratch. So for the free models, we need API keys. So the NVIDIA provide us free models to test them. Build.nvidia.com. Simply open this website. Okay, build.nvidia.com. After opening this, it provide us the best models for free. You can see. Now simply come here to the login. We would like to log into the NVIDIA. Let's write our email. So I will write next. We will log in. You can see login completed because I already had account inside NVIDIA. So if you are creating your account for the first time, you need to verify through phone number also. After creating your account, you will see here a notification to verify your phone number. So just verify your phone number to access free API keys. Now let's move to the models and just explore the models provided by NVIDIA for free. So here you can see all these models, but let's come here to the free endpoint and you will see, let's filter it. You will see all free endpoint free models. There are lots of models that you can use, but let's first of all, we need the API key from this NVIDIA to use it. Come here to your account and come here to the API keys and we want to create our API key. So here you can see I have already created two API keys, but I will delete them. I will create a new one. So let's delete this one. Let's create a new one. Generate API key and here we will assign a name. Open code test. Expire in 12 months. Let's generate API key. We will copy this API key. Let's copy this. Now let's open open code inside an empty folder. So this is an empty folder. Let's right click and open in terminal. It will open this folder, the path of this inside the terminal. You can see now here. Let's run open code to open the CLI of open code. Simply press enter. So that's it. This is the user interface of open code. Now let's test it. Okay, so to test it, it means that we would like to use our NVIDIA API keys. So for that, simply let's write /connect. After writing this, this, which provider you would like to connect it with. So we would like to select the NVIDIA. Simply come here down and we will see. Let's search for NVIDIA. Look at, you can see NVIDIA. Let's select this. And for the API key, we will copy our API key. Let's copy this, paste our API key and press enter. So you can see we have connected through NVIDIA. Now you can see all these list of free AI models, even GMA for 31 billion. Look at, you can use all these models for free now. So to select a model, for that simply let's write remote tune. Okay, I will select here one of the NVIDIA, which is a fastest one, NVIDIA NIM Nano 9 billion. We'll select one of these 3 nano 30 billion, active 3 billion. I will select this model. Which one you want? So just select that model. So select variant, medium, that's it. So I have selected that. So after selecting this, now let's simply ask from it like hi. That will answer to our query. So look at, hello, how can I help you today? So let's now create a SaaS front end for a barber shop. So simply I will ask from it like, so my prompt is I want the front end of a barbershop scheduling SaaS with a landing page and a booking screen without a backend for now. Make it modern, minimalistic style and visually functional. Let's simply press enter so to implement this. Now you can see it will implement and create our front end and landing page. So look at created index.html landing page, booking.html, booking form and style.css modern minimalist style. Open index.html to view the site. So let's move to our folder. So this is our open code folder where we opened our terminal. Now let's open the index.html. So look at, you can see something like this. Now let's press book. Now you will see the book your appointment like this. Just edit your prompt, whatever style you want. So it will create your style like that. So it was just a simple landing page, SaaS landing page for barbershop, as you can see. But if you would like to edit it more and add more features and more sections to your front end, so you can simply edit your prompt and ask from this, it will do it for you. So it was just how to use open code with the free AI models. With the top models, you can select other models. Also, you have a list of free models through NVIDIA. So come here, look at this is NVIDIA. You can select all DeepSeek, Flax, GLM, Z, all models, A1K, Kimi K2.5, all models are available for free. Just the limit is 40 requests per minute. No limit, extra limit. So it was all about this. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and also leave a comment if you have any question. And subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.